Yo, what's going on? It's Miguel, and right now I am on the rooftop of my new place in New York, and today I'm going to teach you about the one thing that is holding you back from accomplishing all of your goals, whether it is getting a place with a view like this one, whether it is building a business, getting the girl of your dreams, anything it is that you want to do. There's one thing that's holding you back. But yeah, man, look at how ridiculous this view is. Like right now I am in Brooklyn, and one of these days I will show a video where I show my place. But for right now, I just want you guys to see this view. It is 360 degrees. I don't know if you can tell, but the Statue of Liberty is right there, man. Barcade building is somewhere over there. I don't know. I was sitting down, meditating. I've decided to make this rooftop my meditation spot. Come up here 20 minutes a day and just sit in silence, stare at the view, think about everything going on in my life, watch the thoughts that pop up in my head, whether they be negative or positive, and see what it is going on. All right. And there's one thing that I cannot get out of my head, and it's because this morning I go through my normal morning routine, doing my thing, wake up, to some hard trap music to get myself pumped for the day. Brush my teeth, wash my face, get myself nice and rejuvenized, and then it comes time to get a workout in. So cool. My arm's getting tired, man. I think I'm gonna... Alright, sorry about that. Hand was getting tired, so I had to relocate to the other side of the roof. Anyways, I believe where I left off in the story was I was in the gym, and I'm in the gym. It's a normal workout day. I'm getting in a good workout. It's my first day inside of my home gym, so I'm pretty excited about the fact that there's a gym inside of my building. And I'm doing my thing, listening to an audiobook, when all of a sudden this girl walks in, and what immediately blew my freaking mind and inspired me to no end was the fact that it is 7:30 in the morning. It was like 7:32, 7:33. I made sure to look at the time. It's early in the morning. I was the only one inside of this gym, and I was pumped up. Every single time I'm the only one in the gym, I'm pumped up. I'm like, yo, I'm the only one here. Nobody's working harder than me. Nobody else is in the gym this early. I'm out here doing my thing. And midway into my workout, someone else comes in, and I'm like, yo, that's dope. Someone else is waking up early to get a workout in. Someone else is doing their thing. But there was a special thing about this girl. She had no arms. Literally. She literally had no arms, and she woke up somewhere between the time of 6 and 7 to brush her teeth, get ready, get her mind ready for the day, so that she can hurry up and get inside of the gym first thing in the morning. And it was legitimately one of the most inspiring things I've ever seen. Because it could be so easy to throw in the towel. There's so many times where even myself, I'm thinking of, I have all these excuses building up inside of my head of a myriad of different things, all these different things about work, about social things, trying to push myself socially, about even working out, dieting, all these things. And there's all these excuses that pile up, and a lot of times I do manage to push those excuses because I've just been practicing for 2 years so far, just pushing up against these excuses and pushing past them. And this girl has no arms and she still wakes up, gets into the gym. Like, she does not use that as an excuse to not get the fuck up and get herself into the gym. So what is the one thing holding you back from accomplishing everything that you want in your life? It is excuses, man. It's excuses. The thing is, like, it's funny. She just so happened to walk in during a time where I'm listening to a book called The 5-Second Rule by Mel Robbins. The whole thing is about blasting through excuses. And at the same exact time, like, some chick walks in to do a full workout and she has no arms, bro. Like, only 2 people wake up early in the morning, like, in this whole building to make sure that they are in the gym. And it's me and some chick with no freaking arms. And, like, if you can manage to like really take in exactly how powerful this woman is, like, and if you can take in exactly how, like, if you had that power within yourself, if you have the strength, if you can develop the willpower to blast through any and all of your excuses, how much your life could change. A lot of times people think that it's skill, that, like, some people are just lucky, that it's all these other things, but what they don't realize, that it's all just one big mind game. It's all, how far are you willing to push yourself? How hard are you willing to work? Like even myself, this time last year, it is September 3rd, 2018, and September 3rd, 2017, exactly 1 year ago to this day, I know exactly what I was doing. I was in school. I was planning on launching a course. I had my first client, but the course did not launch yet. And I virtually had no money coming in. I know for a fact, if I spent, like, I made the calculations, if I spent more than $500 in a month, I would be hurting. So what did I do? Did I make some excuse that, oh, I don't have time, there's no way I can make this happen? Did I make that excuse? No. I'll tell you exactly what I did. Every single night, in order to make sure that I had enough money to eat just a little bit of food, not a lot, like we're talking like McDonald's, top ramen, hot dogs, it's the only thing I can afford. Like, I didn't want to ask my parents for money. Like, I was lucky enough to, like, have parents who would put food in the house, but I wasn't home that much in order to have food. So, like, I needed some way to bring in money to make sure that I had to eat. So what did I do? I make sure to sign up for, sorry about the sirens, I made sure to sign up for Lyft, Uber, if you don't know. It's just like Uber, if you aren't sure exactly what Lyft is. I pick people up from the airport and drive them around from 8 or 9 o'clock at night all the way to 1:30 in the morning, and then make sure that I am in bed by 2 a.m. so that I could wake up at 6 a.m. Not because I needed to be anywhere at 6 a.m., but because I wanted to wake up early enough so that I would have time to do my morning ritual, which I've talked about on this channel, and so that I would have enough time to read anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, whether it be self-development or studying my craft, which is marketing. Not only that, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough time to do all of that so that I could still be in class an hour before everyone else, so that I would have enough time to either get homework done or work on marketing, work on funnels, anything it is that I was doing, or get a workout in. Like, how easy would it have been for me to hit the snooze button? How easy would it have been for me to make all these excuses about how I have to, like, hang out with my friends, how I need all this bullshit, like social time, like how I need to do all these fucking dumb things. How easy would it have been for me to make those excuses? That is the easy way out. That is the cop out. Instead, I said, fuck those excuses. I got the fuck up out of my bed every single day at 6 a.m., even on the weekends, to make sure that I would work. Like, I still had a fucking job. I still had to drive Lyft. I still had to go to school. And I'm still trying to build a business on the side. I'm trying to do all of these things. Why? Because I had a pretty fucking good feeling that it would result in me being able to come to places like New York, to be able to get my first place in New York. I had a pretty good fucking feeling that it would result in what you see behind you, and it would result in a lot more things. So, what's the one thing holding you back from accomplishing every single fucking thing that you want in your life? From not just accomplishing your goals, but blowing past them and creating wealth in your life, meeting amazing people, whatever it is that you want in your life, whatever success looks like to you. What is the one thing holding you back from doing those things? It's exactly what I had to do in order to make sure that I had this, in order to make sure that I didn't end up in some boring ass 9-to-5 job. It's the same exact thing that got that girl with no fucking arms out of bed and into the gym at 7:30 in the fucking morning before anyone else woke up. The one thing holding you back is excuses. And if you can figure out exactly how to not let excuses be the determining factor in your life, if you can figure out exactly what switches you need to flip inside of your fucking self in order to make sure that you get up every single fucking morning and get everything done that you need to get done, you will watch your life change in fucking strides. I'm done.